Hello, good morning. The only purpose of today's lesson is to sign up for a conference with me. This conference is going to be a chance for you to get some help with getting started with the project. It will only take 10 minutes. So it is required for class today, but it should only take 10 minutes. Of course, I can spend more time with you if you have extra questions, but the purpose of this is for me to help you get started on your project, which is really exciting. It's a fun project. So this video is going to be above the link. So you click on the link below and it will lead you to this craziness. What you're going to do is sign up for any one of these slots. So any of these clickable buttons you can click on to schedule a time to meet with me. You can see our conference can happen this afternoon, it can happen tomorrow afternoon, or it can happen Friday afternoon, just depending on your schedule and when you're free to meet. So say, for example, you wanted to sign up for tomorrow. Let's say tomorrow at 1 p.m. Just click on this link. You could see, okay, this time slot is for 12:40 to 12:50, and that's it. You just click save and you're good. So once you sign up for a slot, you're done. The important thing to remember will just be whatever time you signed up for. I have all of your phone numbers, so I can call you if you forget, but it will be much easier if you're just on your computer and ready at the time when you scheduled your conference. So let me just show you, let's see. Okay, what we'll do is we'll show, let's say that you're on your email. Okay, so you're on your email. If you click on these Google apps here, you're going to be able to make your way to your calendar. And then on your Google Calendar, you'll see the time slot that you signed up for. So again, say that you signed up for Thursday at 12:40. The time slot will be right here. It will show up directly in your calendar. So let's show, for example, it looks like Adrian signed up for his conference on Friday at 1:30. So Friday at 1:30, Adrian's going to come onto his Google Calendar, and then he's simply just going to click this link. Okay, cool. So once you click this link, you will just click join now, and then you'll be in your little conference with me. You can obviously turn your video off if you're not comfortable with that, but this will be the easiest way for us to meet. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget that this is a requirement for you to get credit for class today. So don't forget to click on this link, and then to make sure you're on your computer ready to conference at the time that you signed up for. Okay, have a good day.